Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also, you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, welcome again to this new PLC tutorial session. In this session, I will cover timer off delay, TOF timer. So let's start with the TOF timer. As you can see on screen, TOF timer is the timer off delay is used in PLC programming where we have to switch off an output after a particular time delay. It means when you want to switch off an output after a particular time delay, then we have to use TOF timer. Likewise, in TON timer, we want to switch on an output after a particular time delay. When we want to switch on an output after a particular time delay, then we will use TON timer. When we want to switch off an output after a particular time delay, then we will use the TOF timer. TOF timer gives delays as per specified in the TOF time instructions. So you can specify the delay time and you can select time base and preset likewise so that you can give the particular time delay. Okay, so let's go to the timer TOF instruction and we can see practically how the TOF timer works. So let's take a TOF timer first so that we can understand it better. Input and same as where we take TON, we have to take a TOF timer. So I can give an addressing I1 colon 0 0. Okay, so likewise I have to give timer addressing. Timer addressing is same for TON and TOF, but if we have more than one timer, then we have to change the addressing as we are changing it earlier also. Okay, so let's give a preset 10 accumulate 0, and next is I have to take a TTB10 and done bit. Okay, so first I will take a done bit T4 colon 0 slash DN. Okay, and an output. So this is an output. Okay, so first we will take an example of done bit. Okay, how we will see how the done bit works. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, when I will switch on this input, you can see the output gets on. In this TOF timer, done bit gets on immediately, but in this TOF timer, done bit gets on immediately. But if you will take a TON timer, then done bit will get on after particular time delay, because TOF timer works when we want to switch off an output after a particular time delay. It will not help you in on delay, it will help in off delay. So when you switch on the input, output gets on immediately, and when you switch off this input, when I will switch off this input, then the timer will start work. See, you can see the timer will start counting, and after this particular time delay 10 seconds, this done bit will get off and the output gets off. So this is how TOF timer delay works. Let's check it again. Okay, force on. See, output gets on, timer is not working. When I will force off this input, then timer will start working. So first thing that we have understood is that the timer off delay works when input gets off. Okay, and it will start timing from then, and it will count until whatever the time you have given, and after that particular time the done bit gets off. Okay, so this is how done bit works. Okay, now we'll see how the TT bit works. Okay, so I will take a TT instead of DN. Okay, and I will just download this program again. See, when I switch on this input, TT doesn't get on. What is the TT? You know, the TT is timer timing bit. So whenever the timer times, it start counting. At that time only this TT works. Okay, in T on timer, timer starts counting whenever we give input, whenever we give supply to the timer. Okay, but in T off timer, the TT gets on when timer starts counting. When timer starts counting in T off time, when input gets off. Okay, so now I am this closing this input. When this input is forced off, now timer starts counting and TT gets on. So TT will remain on until this timer is timing. So it will remain on for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds it gets off. Okay, so this is how TT works. TT is timer timing bit. In T on, it gets on immediately when input gets on, because the timer T on timer works when for on delay, so it gets on immediately. But in T off timer, this TT gets on when you switch off the input. Okay, now we will check both TT and done bit together. Okay, T4 column 0 slash DN output. Okay, I will compile this program and download this program. Now when I switch off this input, you can see done bit gets on, TT doesn't get on, and timer is or not getting on. When I will switch off this input, now timer start counting. After 10 seconds, both TT and done gets off. Okay, so you can see how T off is getting is working. Okay, so this is the T off timer. In next sessions we will just cover some examples of T off timer. Okay, so I'm signing off for now. Thank you very much. Keep practicing, keep learning. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much